Have you ever tried uprooting a tree stump with a mini excavator? Take a look at this. First, it tears apart the surrounding roots and then, little by little, digs down deep into the ground. The tree stump isn't easy to remove, but the powerful engine of the machine tackles it bit by bit. This minimizes the impact on the train. The excavator is trying to remove the large tree stump. It seems very stubborn under the machine's load. It takes a skidder to pull that stump out of the ground. Wow, everything was easier than I thought. The skilled sawyer approaches the giant spruce with confidence, executing each cut with practiced precision. The sound of the saw and the scent of fresh sawdust mark this as a significant moment. It's the largest tree he has felled to date.
These big root balls, I always like to come in at a 45-degree angle. The first root.
The Vermeer 630 stump grinder is facing a challenge bigger than itself, but giving up is not in its nature. Watch as it grinds the stump into mulch, showcasing its raw power. Would you like to add this compact powerhouse to your toolkit?
And so I'm trying to cut my wheel relative to the stump. Now that the ramp has been built up a little bit. When the wheel is high like this, there's just a little tiny bit of air. I'm trying to avoid that, but as long as it's spraying into the stump itself, ain't that stuff too far. And here I see that the stump is...
You are looking at the modern MEBO RSDH cutting line. As the logs are lifted onto the conveyor, they are programmed to enter the cutting stage into wooden boards. The cutting capacity reaches up to 17.72 inches with a production capability of 35.3147 cubic feet in 8 hours. Powerful and precise. Dipper Fox SC600, your new go-to for heavy-duty stump grinding. With its powerful engine and sharp blades, this machine can handle tree stumps as wide as 15 inches. It's time to elevate your yard care game. This chainsaw comes with 2 cutting heads, specifically built for tackling large logs. It's efficient, straightforward, and gets the job done quickly. If you need to handle big timber, this is the tool for you. Skid Pro, your new favorite tool for stump removal. This machine makes quick work of stumps, finishing the job in just a few minutes. And guess what? It's all yours for around $3,000. The Komatsu 931 harvester, with a powerful engine rated at about 68.65 kilowatts, is actively trimming spruce trees in southern Sweden. The morning sun highlights this impressive machine in its working environment. The LIV 2X5.5 winch faced an imminent risk of tipping under the heavy load of logs, yet managed to stabilize just in time. Fortunately, no disaster occurred. In the early stages of the wood processing industry, before advanced technology emerged, steam-powered saws played a crucial role. Observing these machines evokes a sense of nostalgia for the foundational days of the forestry industry. want to remove tree stumps without heavy machinery, the Deere 3 200 loader is your answer. It's compact, quick, and makes stump removal easy. Efficient garden maintenance and performance. A heavy lumber truck is going uphill, tilting because it's too heavy. But it keeps going and makes it. The driver is impressive. The black splitter log splitter is a modern professional cone-shaped splitting device specifically designed for efficiently splitting large hardwoods. This innovative equipment significantly reduces both time and labor demands, enhancing your productivity. In southern England's woods, a timberjack logging machine is pulling out big logs fast, working against the clock before night sets in. It's all about getting the job done efficiently, no time to waste. The brand new John Deere 1470G harvester features a sharp H290 cutting head, allowing for quick and efficient wood cutting. This machine is designed for productivity and precision in timber harvesting. The wood peeling process is both innovative and efficient. The modern machines roar and hum, easily revealing the beauty of the wood grain beneath. Join us on this exciting journey. The tree stump splitter uses powerful force like the jaws of a shark, breaking old stumps into small pieces of firewood. Give it a try and feel the difference.